Del here. Hola a todos. We're going to be doing a wrapping project, Christmas wrapping, and this is for some people that are not familiar with wrapping, and that's me included in that group. So, and then we'll cut a section based on the size of the package we're trying to wrap. Here, as you can see, we're off to a real great start. Let's see how much of this we need. That and that, I think it would wrap good that way, wrap good that way. So what I think we're going to do is just cut along the line here to get our paper started. And now that I think about it, I am going to use a tool that we previously recommended to do the cutting back in a jiff. So here we are with the tool, and normally we use this to cut thicker material, but let's see how well it works on this. Okay, so there's the attachment. Okay, take that, remove this part, attachments. Okay, attachment clicked on. Okay, and it's fortunately not lined up the way I would like it to be. Well, I guess we'll have to try it this way. We'll see how well this works. Still not lined up right. Yeah, I guess that's better, yep. Okay. Now let's see how we can do. There's already a fold, so I'll just follow the fold. And the problem is that this paper's a little heavy on the one side. So okay, so we got that much done. Now, let's see how we fit the package onto the wrap. I think we kind of did it a little bit that way, so let's just try this, see how it works. I'm going to be taping the paper to the package a couple of places. And it's, as a reminder, this is somebody who never wraps. So just see how it work out here. So I'm going to try to make it a little tight. And then I think, well, maybe we could tuck these ends under, or maybe wait. Well, as we go. There and there. And it always helps too to, I think, have a couple of peel stickers, Christmas stickers that you can cover up your mistakes. Like, say, for example, this right there. We'll just tape that again. And like that. Tape this here on the ends. And if I had to do all over again, I would do it different, even though we're partially through the project. So let's see how we can do on the ends. And then this will be the bottom. And, some people, I think, maybe fold in like this. And let's get that straight there. Maybe fold in on this other end as well. And come back, tighten it up, and put some more tape on it. That tape there. And another thing is that try to even out your tape, half tape on each thing, which I haven't been doing so far. But again, don't do as I do, do as I say. Now let's try this end, and I should have maybe centered the package a little bit to leave more on an equal amount on each end. Another thing that I didn't line up. If I had to do it over again, I'd do it different. So here and here, and again try to tighten it up a little. So this package is gonna get wrapped, but it's obviously not wrapped by the person that does this a lot. One there, and there again, and the half tape on each part, and then we'll just kind of, so that attach that on there, and one more, and okay, so much time did it take me to do this? And it's the job. It is wrapped, but like I say, I would definitely put this part on the bottom where it's not in the public eye, and tape down this better, and this as well. And that, and maybe that. So there's an easier, more expeditious way of doing this, but I am unfamiliar with it. So there it is there. Not perfect, but you know, I guess it's what's inside that counts. And then also, we did have a ribbon thing over there that we could put on the front of it, and I don't know if these things, I think these would probably just take a tape over there.
Don't they have like a peel off thing?
Yeah, is there a peel off thing on there?
Should be.
Well,
yeah, so if you take a look here.
okay, so we don't really need to peel it off right now, but let's show the camera. There is a peel off sticker.
Might as well just do the whole thing.
Right. So I guess we'll do it. There's a
Yep.
staple in there as well, but peel it off.
You get one chance.
And you get one chance to do this kind of right. And there. Voila. How long did that take?
About 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Not too bad.
An efficient, expeditious, expert person with a lot of experience at this wouldn't take 8 minutes at this, because they'd have a whole bunch of other ones to do as well. So they could probably do it in, what, a quarter of the time?
Yeah, no, Trey, you gotta put it under the Christmas tree.
Okay. So there's no room under the tree. Oh, we can fix that. There. Now there's room. You work with what you got.